Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Malibu LT. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, spare tire kit, and window defogger.